Much better. Don't you agree? Oh, hey, that's a decibel meter up there. That tells you how many decibels it is. Again? I love it. 117, bro. That's not bad at all. It's awesome. RT 5.7 liter V8. And true dual straight pipe with an X. One more? Much better. Does it have a sport mode or anything like that? Decibels? Go ahead. There we go. 111, bro. That sounds sick. Go ahead and back it up. And it's a 6-speed, right? Oh. I love that idle. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off of it right there. Because you know what? We hate mufflers here. Oh, that sounds so good.